my diamonds cold, then my golden clothes. Walking in this a show, walking in this a show. Flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So lately this weather has had my hair in a chokehold. It's been extremely dry and just ugly lately, so I thought about putting a mask in it, more specifically Cardi B's hair mask. So I found a video that says she uses olive oil, avocado, banana, eggs, honey, coconut oil, castor oil, and mayonnaise. And the direction says that you have to mix everything all together, pretty much using 1 tablespoon of everything, a whole avocado, and the whole banana. I was trying to find the original video of Cardi B saying what ingredients she actually used, but I couldn't. And I just found this recipe on TikTok, and when I was searching on TikTok, there was like so many different recipes, so I found whatever I could that was in the grocery store across the street from me because I didn't want to spend that much money, and I just needed a good protein mask to go on my hair to give it some life, some shine, and a little hair growth. Didn't hurt nobody. One thing about using hair mask in your hair, you definitely don't want to use it too often because it will have protein overload and your hair will fall out. And with that being said, if you guys have any curly hair products that you guys can recommend me for my hair type, I want to say I believe it's like a 4A. I'm not too exactly sure. I definitely have to pull up the chart to see what my hair type is. But if you guys have a hair type similar to mine, or know anybody with a similar hair type to mine, please comment below and let me know what you guys recommend me using on my hair. My curly hair is 4 or maybe even 5 different hair textures, and I'm still trying to get into it and know what it likes and what it doesn't like instead of just putting my hair up in a bun. It's currently fall / entering winter season, and my hair has been up in a bun, braided ponytail, slick backs, whatever you can think of, because honestly, I don't have the patience to deal with my hair, and I honestly feel like it's because I don't know what products work good for my hair. I'm also still currently learning how to braid and cornrow. So if you guys have any videos, favorite YouTubers, favorite TikTokers, whoever you can think of that shows very good tutorials on how to do those things, please send them to me. I have a doll head, and I have been practicing on my daughter's hair and my hair when I have the chance. So if you guys can recommend those things, that would be an even more plus. I really want to build my channel onto building a community that has women who are not so good at hair, single mothers who are still trying to figure out their children's hair. If you didn't know, my daughter's hair is kinkier than mine. She has these very beautiful tight curls, and it's very soft, but when I tell you the wrong products in her hair will have her hair looking like a complete afro or a bird's nest, which is a complete struggle on its own because typically I do have to try to buy 2 different products or products that I know will work both in my hair and in her hair. Growing up, my mother is full Filipino and born and raised in the Philippines, and she did not know what to do with my hair. And as you can see, this is my hair texture as it's all brushed out and combed. It's long and it's a lot to deal with. I also have a son, and his hair texture again is completely different from my hair and my daughter's hair. He has a more sleeky, loose curl. Honestly, you could put water and grease in it and he can go. As I was doing this hair mask, I was really thinking and praying that this hair mask can do some justice for my hair so I can use it on my daughter's hair, so I can use a good protein treatment in her hair as well. But I'm not too sure if she's too young for that. If you guys can let me know down below, that would be perfect because I don't want to try it and her hair falls out. she's too young. I'm also thinking about making a video about my curly hair journey because honestly, when I tell you my curly hair has been a journey, it has been a complete journey. But that's for a different video for a different day. But let me get back into this hair mask. This hair mask smells really, really good. And if you have long hair, all the ingredients is a lot. I didn't use that much. And at some point, I just got to a point where I was just throwing as much of it as I could on my hair to try to utilize all of it and not throw it away. Girl, I was smearing this stuff in my hair. I was putting it from the roots to the ends, trying to make sure it was fully covered. And this is the amount of fallout that I've had since brushing and combing my hair. And I covered it up in a shower cap and I left it alone for honestly a couple of hours because I just forgot about it. And just a disclaimer, this stuff is messy. I mean, it is messy. So I definitely recommend wearing some clothes that you do not care about. And after a couple of hours, this is how my hair is looking. It looks crazy. So y'all got to know I was ready to wash this stuff out and I had just used conditioner. And again, here is the process of the amount of fallout of hair that I've had come out. Like, look at the difference. Like, that's actually crazy. And another thing that I do want to mention too is if you guys do end up using this hair mask, again, it is dirty. And please, 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 please rinse your hair with cold water because that in my hair, those white stuff is cooked eggs. And I should have washed it off with cold water. I had no plans, and honestly, I was just gonna throw my hair up in a small little coconut pineapple situation and just put a bonnet on it. And look at that. Like, there is no fallout. I was so excited. Honestly, my hair was smelling good. It was feeling nice and soft. Look at my curls looking all rejuvenated. Like, I was here for it. I definitely recommend this hair mask. You guys should try it. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Like I said, I'm gonna just throw this stuff in a bonnet. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't wanna be your side. Whether be your man